Okay, today I'm going to make a Bengali style Aloo Chorchori.
Okay.
It is very simple. It goes wonderfully with paratha, lunchi, the Bengali style Puri that is made with maida. Very simple, goes very fast. Have it for your morning breakfast.
This is a very famous dish found in all the local shops in Bengal. Every day morning, even now, traditional Bengalis will have this. The puri and so it's
Luchi
called
and aloo
luchi
chorchori.
in Bengali.
No, in
And
the shops it's a little, they have a little...
it's slightly
it's
different.
A little
This is a
varied.
little home
Yes.
styled one. This is found in the places where we celebrate puja, etc. So those houses. But it's very tasty and easy. This is one of those dishes I choose to make because it's very easy.
Now this is, I put mustard oil. Once it's hot, I will put in my Bengali 5-spice masala. You get it anywhere in the market, ready-made. Let it heat up.
How long will this take?
I just wanted to heat up a little.
It starts spurting.
Yes. Now these are 5 medium-sized potatoes which I have cut and boiled. You can do it without boiling also. In that case, once this is done, you cut your potatoes and put it in, stir fry, and then you add your water.
Okay.
But to make it a little faster, I have microwaved it for 8 minutes. And I have left for this, the skin is always on.
Okay.
So we do not peel the skin for this. Now this is hot enough. I will put in my potatoes into this. And I need to give it a nice stir. We have to just fry the potatoes a little. Fry it for a little while. And there is no masala as such. It's very simple. Put in your salt. I put 1 teaspoon. That should be enough. Depends on your taste. Half teaspoon chili powder. About half teaspoon haldi powder. And a pinch of salt, sugar. This is optional, but it gives a good blend.
You can add sugar free or sugar based on if you're diabetic.
This is just a pinch, so it's okay. Just stir it nicely.
It's not okay.
Okay, it's dry. And you add in water according to how much gravy you want. Okay, but not too much.
It will be slightly having a little bit of gravy water, the tasty gravy kind of thing, but very slight, not much.
And this is a must. Green chilies to be slit or into half, because that is where it gets its flavor from. I put in 4 green chilies. Now it needs to boil a little. You can cover it for a little while. Cover it and cook it for about 3 to 4 minutes. Let it boil for a little while. Let it you get the consistency that you want. Some people like it a little liquid, some people like it a little, on the dry side. It's perfectly okay.
So
This is the final product.
This is how mom likes it. This is the kind of gravy she likes. So she cooked it till that time, and this is how it will look in the end. So this is aloo chorchori, or
Bengali.
what could
Yes.
be
If it's
English
Bengali
name?
aloo chorchori.
Bengali aloo chorchori. Please be happy with that. That's potato basically. You can try it out. It's tasty. It's very yummy with puris.
And
Just try it
cheese.
out. Thank you.